Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 11 and today we want to present about the use of modern communication according to values of our Islamic religion. Introduction. Modern communication technologies have been integrated into our daily life in today's connected world. This development had a significant impact on a number of societal areas, including religion. One of the world's main religions, Islam, has accepted and adapted to these technological developments to encourage communication, unity and dissemination of information among its followers. Islam traditionally communicates mainly through traditional channels such as face-to-face meetings, transfer of oral knowledge and written messages. However, the way information is exchanged and relationships established has undergone a dramatic change in Muslim society as a result of the development of modern communication tools.
Firstly, we need to look what is modern communication. Modern communication refers to the diverse range of methods and technologies used by individuals and organizations to exchange information, ideas, and messages in the present era. It encompasses various channels including digital, electronic, and wireless means that have revolutionized the way people connect and communicate globally. Modern communication relies heavily on advancements in technology and has transformed how information is created, transmitted, and received.
The modern form of communication. Modern communication have evolved significantly with technology advancement. Cell phone, email, social media, and video conferencing have revolutionized global interaction. Internet-based platforms like instant messaging, voice over internet protocol, and online forums have expanded communication possibilities, providing convenience, efficiency, and instant connection. This modern form of communication transforms the way we share information and connect with others, ensuring efficient and effective communication.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Saufi bin Muhammad Shukri, and my metric number is 1210527. Today, I want to share about the modern communication methods. Modern communication methods encompass various technology and platforms that enables people to exchange information and interact with each other. Here are some common methods of modern communication. Firstly is voice assistant. Second, collaboration tools. Third, mobile apps. Fourth, video conferencing. Fifth, email. Sixth, social media. And lastly is instant messaging. First, instant messaging. Instant messaging (IM) allows real-time text-based communication between individuals or groups. Popular platforms include WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, and others. Second, social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Snapchat facilitate sharing of text, images, video, and other multimedia content, as well as interaction with others through comments, likes, and private message. Third, email. Email is electronic email. Email remains a widely used method for sending and receiving messages over the internet. Emails can include attachments and are typically used for formal or professional communication. Fourth is video conferencing. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet enable face-to-face communication between individuals or groups in different locations. They allow audio and video interaction, screen sharing, and collaboration features. Fifth is voice assistant. Voice assistant like Amazon's Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana respond to voice commands and perform tasks such as answering questions, setting reminders, playing music, and controlling smart devices. Sixth is collaboration tools. Collaboration tools such as Google Documents, Microsoft Office 365, Trello, and Slack facilitate real-time document sharing, editing, and project management among teams. Seven is mobile apps. Mobile applications provide a wide range of communication options, including messaging, social media, video calling, voice calling, and email, accessible through smartphones and tablets. These methods, modern communication, have transformed the way we connect and interact with others, making communication faster, more convenient, and more accessible across distance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Muhammad Ikram. My number metric is 1210533. Today I would like to explain to you all about the use of modern communication according to values of our Islamic religion that related to the Quran and As-Sunnah. So here we go. So we will go to the point first, that is about emphasize on respectful and ethical communication. So this means about Islamic values as outlined in the Quran and Hadith, sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad SAW emphasize the importance of respectful and ethical communication. So Islam teaches believers to avoid engaging in slander, gossip, backbiting, or any form of harmful speeches, as this action are considered sinful. So we have to understanding, unity, and positive engagement with others, fostering a sense of respect and dignity in all forms of communication. Secondly, it's about promotion of truth and authenticity. So in this case, Muslims are encouraged to verify the accuracy of the information before sharing it and to rely on reliable sources when communicating or discussing matters of importance. So this is important because Islam places great importance on the pursuit of truth and discourages spreading misinformation. Okay, we go to the last point, that is maintaining privacy and guarding against harm. So Islamic teachings stress the importance of privacy and protecting oneself and others from harm, both in physical and virtual spaces. So the Quran and Sunnah emphasize preserving personal dignity and avoiding actions that may lead to the harm, such as cyberbullying, harassment, or invasion of privacy. Other than that, we can see that the modern communication can be as a tool for spreading the da'wah because it is interactive and engaging communication. Because of that, modern communication technology allows for interactive and engaging forms of communication that can be related to the effectiveness of da'wah efforts. So this interactive nature of modern communication fosters a two-way communication process, enabling da'wah practices to address specific concern, misconceptions, and doubts effectively. So from my analysis and my database based on my group Google form, we can see that nowadays most of the Muslim scholars spread their da'wah through their social media. So that is the tool for spreading a da'wah based on social media. So next we can see about the analysis that currently there are many preachers who use modern communication channels to deliver da'wah because of the large number of social media users. This is because nowadays many of us that work and do everything based on their social media and based on their phone, laptop, and anything else like that.
The first point is platform to bridge friendship. Modern communication can be an effective platform to bridge friendship based on Islamic religious values. This is because Islam teaches the importance of maintaining and strengthening social relationship between individuals, families, and communities. In today's digital age, modern communication technologies such as smartphones, social media, and instant messaging applications can be used to facilitate easier and faster communication between Muslims regardless of distance. This was mentioned by the respondent among the students who were interviewed, who say, although we are separated by distance, we can still communicate with friends who are far away through the modern communication created at this time. So it is clear that the use of social media in public and private service not only accelerates the effectiveness and efficiency of their service, but also strengthens the relationship between the government and the people.
Modern communication are famous among the people who want to convey knowledge and ideology. This is because media is easy to convey knowledge and ideology due to wide appeal, accessibility, multimodal communication, visual storytelling, persuasive techniques, and immediate dissemination of information. It transcends barriers and is easily accessible through various devices. The combination of text, graphic music, graphic, music, and video engage sense and simplifies complex concepts. Media encourages critical thinking, but caution should be exercised to avoid prejudice and false information.
Modern communication are famous among the people who do business. They use it to reach their target audience and attract people to buy their product or their services or even both. Modern communication platforms also include a variety of characteristics that enhance the interaction and sharing of commercials. With the help of photos, videos, and graphics, users may make visually attractive posts that are likely to attract potential customers. Moreover, these platforms often include statistics and insights that allow employees to monitor the effectiveness of their publications, understand their audience's demographics, and adjust their marketing efforts as necessary. Modern communication as a platform to share the business. As a majority, the respondents agree about this statement with some opinion. Many young people use modern communication to advertise the business they do because it is easy to use and has many users as well as can attract many fans. Today, many young people use contemporary communication methods like social networking sites and messaging apps to promote their projects. Due to the simplicity of use and the large user base of different communication platforms, which enables young entrepreneurs to reach a wide audience and attract potential customers or followers, this trend has grown increasingly.
Last but not least, Muslims can now communicate with other believers, get religious lessons, and spread Islamic ideas to a global audience thanks to modern communication platform, including social media, the internet, smartphone application, and video conferencing. In conclusion, the way Muslims practice, study, and interact with their faith has revolutionized modern communication. It paved the way for international cooperation, helped disseminate Islamic knowledge, and gave Muslims the tools they needed to dispel myths and promote reform. To ensure the authenticity, reliability, and comprehensive development of individuals within the Islamic community, it is necessary to use digital platform with distinction and responsibility and adopt a balanced strategy incorporating traditional practice. That's all from our group. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.